Good day. I'm making a video because I haven't seen anyone do this yet. I have a Ariens 1-inch shaft diameter double pulley. Engine blew, the flywheel blew, magneto is all over, and then ripped up everything, so the charging system had a hole in the block. Threw that in the garbage, but now it's a 1-inch. I can't just throw any motor on there. So what I did, or I'm trying to do, I got a donated engine here from an old blower, which is outside. It's the same exact engine, one of these. The only thing is, here it is. Whoop. See, same thing, 250cc. I took all the parts off. This throttle from the original Briggs that was on it, that blew the interior. Here's the one I took from the other snowblower. This one has a 3/4 inch shaft. I kept this part that was on the other engine that was garbage. 1-inch shaft, 1-inch shaft crank. This part here goes on the flywheel magneto, this guy here that blew up, and that is the same as that side. So now I'm going to try to convert this engine, putting that thing on here and turning it into a 1-inch shaft by swapping cranks, and then I'll be able to use it again. Let's see if this works. I'll make another video once it's open. Alright, so here's the difference after I removed it. This is the one from the 3/4 inch shaft. Look at here, no bearing. This is the one from the Ariens for the 1-inch shaft. Everything else identical. Think it will fit. Here we try. Alright, quick recap. Piston removed. Here's the 1-inch shaft with the piston. Here's the 3/4 inch piston removed. Taking the shaft out. See, this is the same. Back here is the same, which is awesome because it fits the flywheel. This is what matters here. See the difference? Bye-bye. And hi. So now I'm going to throw this guy in here, which is the block of the 3/4 inch engine. To be continued. Alright, we're back. So 1-inch shaft, flywheel side, fit. Now I'm installing the throttle governor assembly. Piston is in from the 250 engine of the 1-inch shaft. 1-inch shaft turns. Camshaft is in, timed, top dead center. Here's your mark here. We'll turn it around. And then it's going back. Top dead center. Timing. You move this little washer here. And there's your dot. You got your dot there. So dot and that together makes your top dead center, and your timing for your valve lifters. Those are in. And next is assemble the top part. I got to order a head gasket, a sump gasket, and then we will continue. Well, back to the 1-inch shaft conversion. Found out a problem before we can continue. All the magnets are loose. All of them. So I got to take them off, glue them, clean them, glue them with some JB Weld. Quick. Yeah, all of them, pretty much. So I have to deal with that before we continue. Sorry. Alright, so welcome back. Here's the magnets now glued to the flywheel. We're going to reinstall. We put the head on with the new head gasket on here. We didn't adjust the valves yet, so these are still loose. Everything here is still the same. I'm not going to do this side yet. I'm going to try the flywheel now that everything is dry, and we'll go from there. Catch you later. Alright, so here's the final test here. Turn this on. She's ready now. 1-inch crank in a 3/4 inch engine. Here's your new crank, 1-inch. New gasket, new head gasket. This damn bolt stripped, so I had to put a nut on the other end, shave it a bit. Be careful if you're doing this, don't over tighten these ones. I just added some oil. I'm gonna actually do a pull start prime. This is the first startup. I haven't started this since I put the crank in. Here we go. I don't even have a handle. Play with this throttle. I put this on. I didn't have one before. It was just a solid on and off here. I didn't have the throttle, so all right, it's a good sign. Timing, the magnets are working that I had to re-glue. Just got to figure the governor, adjust it. We got ourselves a 1-inch shaft to go back into our 1-inch pulley to put this big guy here back together, and then for sale. Well, at least we know we can do a 3/4 inch shaft swap. There you go. That's just water from a pressure washer service. So yeah, there we go, guys. It's possible. Everything's swapped out. Just got to figure that out, and I'll do another vid. All right, well, the wrap up on this is it's doable. I have to do another carb cleaning because this carb was low. This block, original block, was filled with water in the oil. Carb was jammed tight. It's probably still got shit in it. I'm going to throw another new carb, or another carb from the old engine on that parts bin. This is with the other engine. I'll take this carburetor, throw it on. But this is to give you an example. It's possible. Whoop. Carb's a bit dirty. Oh, there you go, buddy. It works. Thumbs up, give me some subscribes, and let me know what you think in the comments.